Trakrap are a new innovative business that manufacture machinery for end-of-line packaging, supplying the major manufacturers that supply the major supermarkets.
The style of wrapping is cold wrap technology. It means replacing the inefficient, high energy burn use of shrink wrap film and replacing it with orbital wrapping of linear low density polyethylene involving no heat at all. Aerosols have provided a unique challenge that we haven't faced before. It's an unstable product that requires a lot of precision in the use of the forces of the film. We've used the work done by MTC to understand the finite film forces involved, and they have helped us determine the point of instability that had never been defined before in wrapping. The simulation revealed that the first wrap was critical. It showed us the direction, the angle and the force of the film touching the pack, and therefore the instability within the group of canisters within the tray. It also enabled us to understand how that could be limited on the first wrap to keep stability.
The finite element analysis really opened everybody's eyes, and actually the process that we were trying to control was much more complicated than even we imagined to begin with. The digital twin's been really useful for us in developing this first machine that we're now building. We know this machine works in a way that is going to deliver what we want at the end of it. I believe that the first machine we produce will be a production machine and not a prototype.
Having a digital twin gives us a big time saving in the design process, and also a cost saving. We don't need to go and manufacture something to find out whether or not it's suitable for the process. So the digital twin will allow us to model most situations and see if the design is correct.
The digital journey we're on means the future looks extremely bright for Trakrap. It's allowing us to make massive strides in an industry that's very competitive.